Okay, hello everyone. Let's join me to unboxing the latest version of Xiaomi Redmi 13C. Okay, of course inside this box we get the unit of Redmi 13C, guidebook, document and SIM ejector, Type-C cable and also 10-watt charger. Okay, the Redmi 13C has three storage variants. First one has 4GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. Okay, then for the next variant has 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. Okay, then for the last variant offers 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. Okay, and then all of the variants support RAM expansion. Okay, Redmi 13C also has four kind of colors: midnight black, the navy blue, the glacier white, and the clover green. Like the 12C, it is powered by MediaTek Helio G85 processor. Comes with 50 megapixel main camera, runs on Android 13 and support 5000 mAh battery. Well, there are three cameras at the back. One of them is for 50 megapixel sensor, and then the second one is micro lens, and then the last camera is auxiliary lens. Okay, the Redmi 13C has side fingerprint scanner. It also has 3.5mm audio jack at the top, and then it is also support 2 nano SIM cards and an SD card. Okay, then for the bottom comes the microphone, the charging port, and the speaker. Okay, and don't forget for the display specifications, Redmi 13C has a smooth 6.74-inch and 90Hz. Plus, it is also support 18-watt fast charging. Okay, that's it. So in conclusion, if you like playing game, this one is suitable for you because it is supported by MediaTek Helio G85. And then the last special, that this phone also supports the NFC feature, which will make it easier for you in many ways. Okay, thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more information from this channel.